care if you're in the video? I know Mama doesn't want to be in the video.
Kitty, what is it? What is it, Kitty? What is it?
We're having white meat chicken primavera in a classic sauce with garden veggies and greens.
Classic sauce. Classic sauce. Kitty, what is that?
Okay, do you think you want it? Okay, we have to sing happy birthday to him.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sailor. Happy birthday to you.
Kitty, are you ready? Here it is.
It's so tasty, Kitty. It's so tasty.
He's going batshit. Always.
We should mix aquariums in it with it.
I like how Susie turned the camera on. What did you say about that? Last time you had the camera on?
I don't know what did I say?
Do you remember? And I was like, Jason. And you were like, oh.
What?
Oh, on Christmas when you were filming and Dad said
I
some...
said some bad words.
What was it that he said?
It's on video, but I can't remember.
Super. Okay, you think he's gonna eat it all?
No. I am talking to you. He can't eat it all.
You're just like licking it.
He's not real adept at eating.
No.
His tongue is sloppy. There's nothing that you can have that he would possibly want right now more than that.
Sailor. Sailor.
Should we put aquariums in with the
No.
line? Good idea, though.
Yeah, that was one of his best birthday parties ever.
Happy birthday,
Every
Kitty.
single year.